Jessica Fogarty, and I am with Princess House, and today I wanted to give you a quick review of our Fantasia Fresh 2-cup storage bowls. This is one of them. These are fantastic. So like all of our other Fantasia products, these are great. They will go into your microwave. Oh my gosh, for the microwave, they have this handy little vent right there, so you can pop this up. It doesn't splatter on the inside of your microwave. But these are also oven safe. These are the best dishes. Look at this shape. Can you see that? These are fantastic if you know somebody that cooks for themselves, because you can cook right here in this dish. Or if you work in an office, these are fantastic. When I used to work in an office, I had an item that was similar to this. And I would make eggs in the morning in the microwave. They were good. I would make myself just like a little omelet with some mushrooms, onions, cheese, whatever you want. But you can put a chicken breast in here and cook it. It takes 3 to 5 minutes depending on how big the chicken breast is. You could do salmon in here, and I actually have a quick recipe for brownies that you could make in here. So just a small dish of brownies if you just need it for 1 or 2 people. And these are just great. If you know college students who are trying to, save money, cook in the dorm kind of thing, somebody who lives by themselves, people like that, these are great. Not only that, they're great leftover dishes. So for your family, these are fantastic. If you make a big batch of lasagna and you want to freeze it, you can freeze right in here and then just reheat right in that dish. Isn't that great? Can you see that? So these are fantastic. I love them, love them, love them. You can order them from my website, jessicafogarty.com, and anybody who does place an order for these will be able to get a PDF with some of the recipes that I just mentioned. If you have any questions, please comment below, and have a great day.